Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back. We are going to start new one topic, that is Ziaul Haq regime. Before this, you have learned about Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and his reforms. First of all, I am going to tell you about Ziaul Haq biodata. He was born on 12th August 1924 at Jalandhar in British India. He was died on 17 August 1988 at Bahawalpur in airplane crash. He got early education at home, then he went to St. Stephen College in New Delhi. He joined British Army Royal Indian Military Academy. He participated in World War II with British troops in Burma, Malaysia, Indonesia against Japanese. After independence, he joined Pakistan Army. In 1955, he graduated from Command Staff College, Quetta, and served as instructor there. He performed active duty in Kashmir during 1965 war. In 1975, he was promoted to Lieutenant General. Then in 1976, he was appointed as Chief of Army Staff. In 1977, Ziaul Haq imposed martial law and he toppled the government of Zulfikar Ali Bhutto on 5th July 1977. He announced election would be held in 90 days. He totally banned on freedom of expression, that is media, press, labor, trade union, etc. He also banned on political activities. October 1977, elections were postponed and he announced accountability of politicians. March 1978, Lahore High Court found Bhutto guilty of Nawab Muhammad Ahmad Khan, so he was sentenced as death. July 1978, civilian cabinet took oath under martial law. Pakistan National Alliance's member also included in cabinet. September 1978, Ziaul Haq became president. September 1979, local government elections were held. National Assembly election postponed in March, then in October 1979. On March 23, 1981, Provisional Constitutional Order PCO was in force, which replaced 1973 Constitution. August 12, 1983, Zia introduced his own constitutional formula under which held presidential referendum was on 19 December 1984. He won the referendum and again he was elected as President of Pakistan for the next 5 years. Non-party based election was held. National Assembly election were held on 25th Feb 1985, while Provincial Assembly election were held on 28th Feb 1985. March 20th, 1985, Muhammad Khan Junejo became Prime Minister of Pakistan. December 1985, martial law was ended. After the end of martial law, he also enforced Islamic laws in the country. These Islamic laws punish prescribed by Shariat for certain acts like adultery, drinking, theft, false allegation was enforced. He enforced Zakat and Ushar Ordinance June 20, 1980. Zakat enforced deduction from all deposit Zakat at the rate of 2.5. Ushar 10% deduction from crops that cannot irrigated land or 5% well irrigated crops. Zakat Foundation was established in February 1982. Federal government established National Zakat Foundation. The third one, Federal Shariat Court, it was enforced on 27th May 1980. High Court consists of Shariat bench and in which 3 judges will be present. Supreme Court, it was consist of appellate Shariat bench, 3 judges will be there. Wafaki Muhtasib Blasphemy Act Article 298 based on Islam of the Constitution amended anyone found guilty of blasphemy toward Caliph, family of Prophet, companion of Prophet will get 3 years rigorous imprisonment or fine or both. Compulsory subject. Federal government announced that Islamiyat and Pakistan study will be compulsory subject up to degree level. In educational institution, non-Muslim may take ethics instead of Islamiyat. Ehtaram-e-Ramzan ordinance was also enforced in 1981. According to this ordinance, on public places, smoking, eating and drinking was prohibited during Ramzan. Wafaki Muhtasib was also proposed, and the main purpose to ensure rule of law, provision of justice, promotion of social equality. Zia enforced Wafaki Muhtasib in June 1981. He also enforced Majlis-e-Shura. It was established in 1981, consists of 50 members, and the main purpose of formation of Islamic society. He also enforced interest-free banking. Zia also took steps that lead introduction interest-free banking in all banks. Ziaul Haq, this Islamic law was announced by Ziaul Haq, and it was still in existence. Allah Hafiz.